In January 2020, we joined the Invest with Teri VIP Trade and Travel course.
Not having W-2 jobs allowed us to spend 2020 observing the market and learning the IWT methodology.
What's up, Legacy Builders? I'm Rob.
I'm Reshawn, and this is Learn, Hustle, Grow. We help you build wealth and explore investing so that you can leave a legacy.
She's a stock trader.
He's a realtor.
And we are debt-free investors. We made our $5,000 investment back in about 8 weeks. In January 2021, we set a goal of $5,000 in income a month.
Some of you've kept up with our monthly trading activity. In this video, we're going to share what's happened in the first 6 months of this year.
Even though we're debt-free, there are still bills that come with the day-to-day living. After traveling the world in 2019, 2020 is the first year that we have lived off of our own money without corporate America.
We've shared previously that our 2020 living expenses came to about $50,000. Now that number does not include business expenses.
If you're getting any value from any of the videos that we're dropping, please hit that like and subscribe button to help us grow our channel.
Now, we know our annual living expenses because we use a tool called Personal Capital. It is free and available to anyone interested in tracking their expenses.
Do you know how much money you spend exactly in a year?
If not, consider using a tool like Mint or Personal Capital. While there are always unexpected expenses, for us, if we spent it, we included it.
Some of you may be wondering, how did we decide to set our monthly goal?
Well, when we set our goal, the U.S. Census said that the Texas household median income was $60,000 a year. So we decided to start there. We simply divided 60 by 12.
Note, household is not individual person. It is everyone that is inside each individual house.
Now, we recognize that money is a tool. The more information we have, the better we can use that tool. For example, this kind of information can be used as a baseline when you're considering relocation.
This is true on how we spend our money and how we invest it.
Think about it. We've all been taught that education is the path to success in America.
Indeed. In the U.S., we pay for degrees, trade schools, certifications, all this to gain employment.
Unfortunately, it's rare that personal finance or investing are part of the traditional curriculum. We are expected to figure this out on our own.
It's crazy. We know from experience that a lack of knowledge can be a dangerous thing.
This feels like the perfect time to say that you can and will lose money while learning to trade stocks.
It is not possible to participate in the stock market without the risk of losing money.
If you've watched some of our earlier videos and you know our story, then you know that it was recognizing that we were not on the same page when it came to managing our personal finances, and that's what kind of put us on the path to learning as much as we could about money.
We were successful in creating a plan to pay off debt, save money, and invest long term.
We began with a modified version of the Dave Ramsey Total Money Makeover. We also took full advantage of the Bigger Pockets podcast when it came to maximizing our understanding of investing in real estate.
All of this took place in a 9-year period that led up to us leaving our jobs.
Now that you have some background regarding who we are and how we got here, it makes perfect sense why we decided to enroll in a trading course. We'll include a link to the Invest with Teri Trade and Travel course in the description below.
So, how are we doing so far with our $5K a month goal or our $60K annual?
To get additional insight on each of those individual months, check out the videos we've previously recorded. Now, if you were doing quick back of the napkin math, then you probably know we're doing pretty well. Our goal for the first 6 months would have been $30,000. As of today, we've made just over $45,000 trading in our brokerage account.
We are not members of the Trade and Travel staff, just students sharing our experience.
Got questions? Drop them in the comments below.
See you in the next video.